Kill me.
I know I'm going to leave this.
You like it, Daddy? I'll finish you. Hey! Hey, so follow me. You don't want to waste time. This is raw.
Ha! Uncle!
Smush me. Uncle! I'm coming.
My sweet Borero. You're beautiful.
Thank you.
Hi!
Uncle, I've been admiring you since so.
Yes. Kill me today. Kill me.
I know I'm going to leave this.
You like it, Daddy? I'll finish you. Hey! Hey, so follow me. You don't want to waste time. This is raw.
Uncle!
Ha! Uncle!
Uncle, smush me.
You see? You see? See?
What is that? I heard Uncle.
Wait, shit.
Ha!
Just put it. Here's the bag. Come. Take your bag. Tell your mother I've done your assignment. Go. Don't be late for school.
Uncle. See, I have the full video here. I don't have issue with you. Just say to me, otherwise I'll go and tell the mama.
Sabalo, you're a good student. So see, anytime you see, I would settle you. For now, I don't really have anything now, but anytime we see, I promise, I would find you something.
Oh, anytime you will see, you will settle me. No problem. Anytime we see, you will say to me. Anytime we see, you will say to me. Anytime we see, you will say to me. Anytime we see, you will say to me.
Sabalo, you are still here.
Yes, now. I'm waiting for you. You said anytime we see, you will settle me. So I'm waiting for you to just come outside so we can see again, so you can settle me.
I did not say you should wait now. I said anytime, like any other time we see, I will settle you, not this one now.
No problem. We've seen the other time. This is another time we are talking about. We've seen another time now. So settle me.
It's not like that now.
You don't want to settle me, Abi? No problem. Let me go and tell her mother now.
Come. I want to settle you now.
Settle me.
You are too quick.
You say anytime we see, you will settle me. So we are seeing another time now. So settle me.
But I will settle you. You will remove the video.
I will remove the uncle. Thank you. Anytime we see, you go settle me. Anytime we see, you go settle me. Anytime we see, you go settle me.
Remove the video now.
You go settle me. Anytime we see, you go settle me.
Sabalo, what are you doing here?
You said it now. You said anytime we see, you will settle me. So we have seen again. You have to settle me.
Anytime we see is not inside my room now. Sure, I settled you the last time now.
No, anytime we see, anytime our eye jam each other, you must settle me.
I don't use my mouth to put myself in trouble.
That was what you said. You said anytime we see, you will settle me. So I'm here for you to settle me.
Okay. Sabalo, this is not fair. This is not fair.
When you are one, you say you did not say it's not fair.
We are men. You are a good student.
I know. Thank you. God bless you. See you when we see.
Let's not see again. No, anytime we see again. No.
Young man, I am Sergeant Omemitwe, Florida, from Ekpa Police Station. You are under arrest for knowing your students. Your students. Look, you have every right to remain silent because anything you say or do here will be used against you in the court of law. Move it!
I'm a good man, so I have to play my part.
Move! Move! Move in! Injustice! Move in! Move!
You don't know your students. You don't know your students.
And Mr. Sabalo.
Yes, sir.
You are also under arrest for extorting money from this young man. That is blackmail. Move with him. Move it!
Onye keru